Hey guys, so we're going to do some more adding of integers. So all I have to do here really is just remember my rules. If my signs are the same, add your numbers, keep the sign. So if I have -6 plus -7 plus -10, that's like saying I borrowed $6, I borrowed 7 more, and then I borrowed 10 more dollars. That means I'm going to still be in the negative. So all I have to do is add my numbers. 6 plus 7, that's going to be -13, plus -10, which gives me -23. And again, if I borrow $6, I borrow 7 more, I borrow 10 more, I now owe you $23. And money you always owe is negative. Let's do another one. Let's say I have -12 plus 7 plus -17. Well, I'm going to go piece by piece here. So I'm just going to look at -12 plus 7. I know that my signs are different, which means I can subtract them normally. 12 minus 7 is 5, and then keep the sign of the larger number, which was 12, so this is a -5. So now this becomes -5 plus -16. Since I didn't use it, I just bring it down. Now my signs are the same, so all I have to do is add my numbers. -5 plus -16 is -21. Let's do another one. All right, 15 plus -45 plus 6 plus -7. Well, my first step here is to just look at my first two terms, 15 and -45. So I'm going to do 45 minus 15, which is 30. And I keep the sign of the larger number, which is 45, so this is a -30. So now I have -30. I haven't used this part, so I'm going to bring it down. Plus 6 plus -7. Now, -30 plus 6 is the next expression I'm going to look at. Again, I see that my signs are different, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So that becomes 24. So this is -24. Again, bring that down, plus -7, and now my signs are the same, and 24 plus 7 is 31, and it's -31 because both of them are negative. Let's do one more, and then you'll practice. All right, let's say I have -21 plus 35 plus -36. I'm just going to start off by looking at -21 and 35. The signs are different because 21 is negative and 35 is positive. So I know I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. And the larger number here was 35, so this is a positive 14. So now I have positive 14 plus, bring down the rest of my problem, -16. Again, I see that my signs are different because 14 is positive and 16 is negative, so I'm going to subtract them and keep the sign of the larger number. 16 is the larger number, so 14 plus -16 is -2. All right, guys, let's practice.